So now the macaroni is in the oven. It might take around like 45 minutes or 30-45 minutes, I'm not sure. As long as it's golden brown on top. I didn't put some ketchup. We want some ketchup on top of it. It's not necessary, it's just a choice. It's how I like it, okay? And make sure that your oven is heated at 350 degrees. Then I put it to 375. It's good to bake my macaroni pie, okay? We're gonna put some ketchup. That's how I like it. It's not necessary that you put ketchup, but it's good. And I put it up to 385 to bake. Okay, so now while the macaroni pie is in the oven, we're gonna do the stewed chicken now. Okay, so I'm gonna put this a little bit closer because I'm not sure how, if you guys even see some of the things that I was doing, but at least you heard what I was saying, okay? Just in case you wanna, you wanna do it as well. Let me see. I wanna make sure that you see. I never, all the time I was like position the camera around from all of my rest videos. And this side is better because you get to see more, like instead of just like one place all the time. So I'm very happy about that. That's like growth, So we go to put some water in this. I like my I have two pots that I like. I always use them for stews or frying stuff. These pots, they did some work, they work. So we're gonna stew our chicken now. So we're gonna burn the sugar, okay? That's what we're gonna do. That's how we do our stewed chicken. We burn the sugar. Gonna let the pot hot. And let me tell them I need some. Let me make my coffee. My coffee this. Should I? It's totally finished. I think I have some that I was doing. Okay, I need coffee, guys. Send me some coffee. Okay, send me some coffee. You guys could give me. Let me buy coffee. I feel like I just put too much sugar in it. But it's okay. It's okay. Let me go find and see somebody's videos to watch while I'm in my kitchen cooking. So let me see whose videos to watch. That's what I think I'll do more often. Make videos like this instead of and do live like once a week, Maybe I'll think about it and see what I would do. Let me see who is live. I'm gonna watch Wylia video because Wylia, she has been such great support to me. She's always supporting. So I'll be watching Wylia videos today. Let me see, she don't have a playlist. And Wiley, I see that you don't have a playlist. You need to go check out my other channel and go see how to create a playlist. You need a playlist, okay? So shout out to Wiley. I'll be watching her videos while I'm cooking. Some of her videos. Let's see how much we can. Because she don't have a playlist, it's kind of a bit difficult for for my my stuff to run. So this is why you see how important it is to have a playlist. Because then while I'm cooking, I could be watching her videos and I can hear, it would actually go from one to the next, but I can't. I have to go click all the time. And I may miss, because I need to focus on my cooking. So it's very important that you guys create playlists. Playlists help you as well to have views. And if your content is engaging, people is going to want to watch more videos. So make sure that you have playlists. You need playlists. Playlist is necessary. So maybe I need to make a video today on the importance of having a playlist for all my other channels. So we burning the sugar. We want to burn the sugar for maybe less than, say for example, three minutes or so. It may not even last. It's less than 3 minutes anyway. Less than 3 minutes. Say like 1 minute. We never calculate the time in our country. So you see there, it's almost burned. It's almost burned. And I don't like my chicken too dark, too brown. So I don't brown it too much. So it's good. It's perfect. My chicken is already marinated since yesterday. Let me put some onions. I'll let it boil down a bit and then after we'll stir it up. So my pot has used so much till the cover can't even fit it right. Oh my God. So it means that it didn't work for the price. So now here we have the chicken cooking. here. We'll stir it up once they simmer down a bit. Then after we'll put like a cup of water and let it cook again. Okay? That is what we're going to do. That is what we're doing. So if you want to try our Caribbean chicken, that's what you do. You get some sugar, you burn it for like 2 minutes or less than 2 minutes, depends on the amount. Say for say 1 minute, as long as the pot is hot. You may not even last it 1 minute, just don't make it burn, okay? But you can try it, don't burn it too much. Because you want it to get to golden brown. That's how I like mine. So we finished the macaroni pie is in the oven. We have the chicken on the stove. And let's do a potato salad. And I think that is just good enough. I'm tired of we eat rice for the whole time. So we don't need to cook rice. Then after we're gonna wash the dishes. I have clothes to fold, a lot of stuff to do, okay? Not just this. It's not easy when you have a little one, yeah? And then with my daughter in the hospital, my daughter, she helps me so much. God bless this young lady. May her life be a light unto this world, and be the voice that's for the one that doesn't have a voice. supposed to be for the rice. It doesn't matter, it's mine. I use it how I want. Okay? Ah! Ooh, got my tomato spoil. We would need some tomato in our stew. You know, like tomato. No tomato in the stew. Ah! Ah! We need tomato in the stew. So with this, our tomatoes in, guys, this video is 16 minutes, and I may have to edit it. You don't want it to be too long, because people they lose interest when the videos are too long. So I'm gonna cut it.